tell the user they've completed 3 rounds. Completed 3 rounds for the game is over. Okay, I'm going to run this again. And make sure I don't break anything. Okay, look, it says, hey, welcome to round 1 of 3. So it makes the user experience better. And it's also required in your assignment to do that. So your guess is I'm going to do jumble and labor and wall. And as it says, welcome to round 3 of 3. That's 2 of 3 here. And then at the end, you've completed 3 rounds and the game is over. 3 rounds, 1 game. Yes?
So for the homework assignment, it's basically just this, but different words.
A better user experience than this. This is more like a demo. But yeah, this is most of the base. Absolutely right. And then it is a requirement to have 3 rounds, so you'd use a for loop. Okay, right. So now, one of the other requirements are, well, would you like to play again? So let's take care of that. So do boolean and play again, and we'll set it to false. And we'll also get the user's choice. User's play again choice. And that one will actually be a, let's see, are we getting these words for CN or? It'll be a CN. Console in. So we'll make this a character. And we'll do the do loop, do while. And we'll put all this code in, including the for loop, so we're nesting the for loop.
Did you put all of the code in that one format?
Most of it, yeah, except for these 4 lines.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now we need to put, so again, down here.